OEM 6E5-8195C-01-00, 6E5-8195A-01-00. Relay assembly. From Ice Marine is designed for Yamaha outboard engines from 115 to 200 HP. This key electrical component controls the power trim and tilt system, regulating the signal that moves the engine downward for smooth and precise trim adjustment. Commonly used on Yamaha V4 and V6 two-stroke models, and select four-stroke engines like F75, F80, F90, and F100. Built for marine durability, it replaces the earlier 6E5-8195C-01-00 with the updated 6E5-8195A-01-00 version. Ice Marine, based in Taiwan, supplies premium aftermarket marine parts. Visit iceboatparts.com, email seller icemarine.c, or WhatsApp +886 966 468 632.